Fast cars, new products, and people as far as the eye can see were present at PRI 2017 in Indianapolis, Indiana this year. Let's hit the floor and see how we can get your car to the next level.
So how do we get to all this great horsepower that we see out on the tracks and the street? Well, of course, you got to start with the right engine prep, and it goes all the way to getting the blocks ready, and that's where we have our folks here from Sun. And Bob, well, you guys are continuing to build new machines and come up with new technology, and the one that is behind us is pretty darn neat.
Yes, it is. As a matter of fact, this has been in development now actually for the past couple of years, and Sun prides itself on quality. And that's what we really look for in all of our machines so they last a long time. The first honing machine that we came out that was somewhat automated came out in 1964. Behind me is our first SV30 that steps, repeats, and basically the person that is operating it, all he has to do is push a button and walk away from it and then come back to it, and the block's done and honed and ready to go.
Wow, well, you know what? Made in the USA, and of course, you have like the 3-year warranty you can find out about on the Sun machines. But what I want to find out about is this really cool raffle that you guys are a big part of.
That raffle we've been doing for 29 years, and we get a lot of people involved with that. But the big thing that it was originally developed for was for charity and to give to needy people or organization. Currently, we give the money to the Petties, for the charity sweepstakes for them, and for the Victory Junction Gang. And we've actually, in the past few years, we've raised a lot of money for that group, and we're very proud of it and very proud to be a part of it.
And somebody's going to be really happy when they win that motor as well. You want to find out more about what Sunnin has to offer you? Go to their website at sunnin.com.